Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to install Hyper-V on Windows and understand why it is one of the best virtualization platforms for IT professionals, administrators, network engineers. Hyper-V is a Microsoft built-in virtualization technology that allows you to create and run multiple virtual machines on a single physical computer. You can install Windows, Linux, Windows Server, firewalls, and many other operating systems without needing extra hardware. But it need Windows 11 or 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education editions at least. It must be 64-bit and Intel VTX or Intel i7 or AMD V support, and must be enabled in BIOS virtualizations, and also at least it need 8 GB RAM. If it is more than 8 GB like 16 GB, 32 GB, it is very good to create the machines and control the machines easily. And also you should be keep storage free for virtual machines, so it is better to run virtual machines on SSD, so you will not feel lagging. So in this video I will show you how to install. So this is the easy thing to install. Just go to features, so press Windows R, app wiz appwiz.cpl. So it will just enter, it will open directly. Turn on Windows features. From here we can allow directly, or else you can go to control panel and just click here programs, uninstall a program, and turn on Windows features or off. Here you can see Hyper-V. Just select this one and select each Hyper-V management tools, Hyper-V platforms. So it will be selected all inside the folders, subfolders. So just click OK and wait for some time to install this one. It will allow you to run multiple virtual machines simultaneously, create virtual switches for networking labs, and take checkpoints, snapshots, and restore VM anytime. Safely test software and operating system without affecting your main PC. Excellent performance and security for learning, testing, and production environment. So you can see here it is install the features. Just click restart now. It will take little bit time to restart to install the feature of the Hyper-V. Just log in. So friends, after restarting, just go to search bar and type here Hyper. You can see here Hyper-V quick create and Hyper-V manager. Just click on Hyper-V manager. You can see here the Hyper-V is installed. Just click here. Now you can see here the Hyper-V is installed. From here you can create the machines. You can see here new, and you can create virtual machines. Just click and you can create the virtual machines one by one. But before that you must download the image files from the Microsoft for the server and Windows operating system for 10 or 11, whatever you want to install here. You can just download, and you can install from the Hyper-V, and the virtual machines will be created here. You can use for the labs, you can use for the office works, whatever you can do here. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.